In the heart of Anatolia, the Hittites emerged as formidable warriors of iron crafting weapons and tools that would influence warfare for centuries. Their skilled fighters were known to dominate the battlefield, showcasing bravery and unmatched strength against their enemies. Their prowess was not only in battle, but also in their advanced metallurgy, allowing them to create powerful weapons that would change the course of history. In their thriving cities, the Hittites built a civilization rich in culture, commerce, and military strength, leaving a lasting legacy. At the helm of this formidable empire was a king whose leadership and vision expanded Hittite territory far and wide. With strategic alliances and fierce diplomacy, the Hittites established themselves as a major power in the ancient world, thriving on the wealth generated by trade and conquest. The Hittites were known for their tactical formations in battle, where discipline and coordination played key roles in their victories. Their stories were immortalized in stone tablets, reflecting both their military achievements and their diplomatic endeavors with neighboring civilizations.